Today is another video that I want to show for beginners. It's also just basic shortcuts that you do get in Excel. The first shortcut that I want to show you is Control S. Now this is a shortcut that is often used in other programs as well, but in any event I'm going to show you as well. That is just to save. So you will see over here, if you do press Control S, you will see that it is saving. The second shortcut that I want to show you is also Control P. That is for using the print preview option. The third shortcut is to select all of the data. For instance, if you press Control A, you'll see it selects all the data on your sheet. If you press Control C and you, for instance, go to another sheet, you can press Control V and there you'll see you have copied and pasted your data that you had in sheet 1. The next shortcut that I also want to show you is Control C. If you select Control A and you select all the information, you can press Control C, then you will see it will want you to create a table. So you can either select here table has headers or not. So in my case my table does have headers, and then I will just select yes. There you go, you will see it is in a table format. You can see that by the different colors and formatting. You can also choose different table styles over here, and that is how you create a table also on Excel with a shortcut. Another shortcut is if you want to move between the selected pages. All you have to do is you press Control Page Down. For instance, if you want to go down, so you see here there is sheet 2, sheet 1, and right now I'm sheet 3. If I want to go back, I can press Control and Page Up and it will go back. If I want to shift between sheet 2 and 3, you can press again Control Page Down. Then you see you are able to flip through all the selected sheets. Another shortcut that is very useful is Control Home. Now we use Control Home to easily navigate back to the first cell of the spreadsheet. This spreadsheet at this moment, it is very small, but sometimes you have thousands and thousands of cells, and then you easily want to navigate back and forth to the beginning of your spreadsheet. The thing that you can do is you can press Control Home and you will see it has landed back to the beginning of your spreadsheet. If you want to go to the end, you can simply press Control End on your keyboard and you will see it will go to the end of your spreadsheet. You can also select one column by pressing Control Space. For instance, over here I am in column F. I want to select it like that, but I don't want to use my mouse. Typically don't want to use our mouse because it is not very time efficient. That's why the more shortcuts that you can do in Excel, the more you can work efficiently on Excel. If you want to select the entire column, you can press Control and the spacebar, and there you see you will be able to select that. If you want to select a row, for instance you want to select the entire row 6, you can hold in Shift and then space. Then it will select the entire row for you as well. If you, for instance, want to select all the data over here, you can stand here in A1. You can hold in Shift and Control and press the right key. Then you will see it will go all to the end over here. If you still hold in Shift Control down, you will see it will select all the data for you as well. The last shortcut I also want to show you is Control Shift L. This is for activating the filters on the headings of your sheet. So over here you see I have pressed Control Shift L and I'm able to now filter. If you want to remove the filter, you can simply press Control Shift L again and you will remove your filters. I will be doing another shortcut video shortly. Please keep a lookout for that, and thank you for watching my video and take care.